To find us at Woldside Classical Sports Car, you can either come from the A16 Boston or the A157 Lincoln Market Raisin Roads. Take the A16 headed towards Grimsby on the Louth bypass. Roundabout, you will see the industrial estate ahead of you. Take a left turn onto the A16 Grimsby. A16 towards Grimsby. So if you are coming from the north, you'll come on the A16 and you'll be met with this roundabout as you enter in the town, and this takes you onto the Fairfield industrial estate. From the south you turn right, from the north you turn left. Faces Spar Garage and the Shell station. 200 yards past the Spar Garage, we take a right on Tattershall Way. And on the right you'll see our sister company Thompson and Smith, sorry, on the left I should say, and then follow that, immediately on the left you'll see Woldside Classical Sports Car.